Okay, what's up YouTube, it's me again. As I told you from my previous video on how to change the ROM to Blu-ray. Now I'm going to show you how to take apart your laptop. Alright, what I mean by taking apart, I mean taking the keyboard, the cooling system, the ROM, the monitor, the battery, everything's inside it. Alright, so step by step, alright. What you need is a pen, some post-its, and a magnetic screwdriver. Okay, so magnetic screwdriver, some post-its, and a pen. Alright, second step, put out the battery. So hold the safety, undo the safety clips. There. It's pretty heavy. Make sure you put it somewhere safe. So my theory is actually put that there. Put the here. That's the battery. Right now, you need to undo these screws around the surface of the body. So on your first post-it, right bottom. There. Take it out, stick it there. Alright? So, I'll just undo them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you just don't leave any out. And if your screws fails to magnetize them out, to your computer, make sure that you got something bright, and they'll start to fall off. Make sure that you don't lose any screws. Shit. Okay, so I dropped one somewhere. Where is it? Here it is. Doesn't matter if not all of them fall out. Alright, so just get them together. Grab them and put them on the bottom label. There we go. There's the most important screw of all, the longest screw that you can find on your laptop. It doesn't want to come out. I must like it being in there. There we go. Oh shit. Put that besides there. Okay, now once you've done all of them, remove this first. This is your Blu-ray, by the way, or your normal. Why is the camera not focused? Yeah, now there we go. Step 2. Right on this hard disk. There. Or the ISK. There you go. Let's stick it there. Why did you write hard disk? I can answer that, because step 2, you're going to take out the hard disk cover and the hard disk itself. That's one. Place it there. Now gently lift up the cover. When I mean gently, I mean gently. That's your 160 gigabyte hard disk. Undo this. Oh, make sure you don't scratch it. I have no patience for these things anymore. Right now, gently lift it. Twist it till it gets out. Gently. Don't drop it, because that will cost you your laptop, your computer, whatever you call it. You put there. Make sure the other thing that you've got a lot of room, because you will need a lot of room. Now, on this right big case, as you're going to take out the big case, take the post tips, put it there. Now these, the mothers are pain in the arse. Hold on, I got a telephone, guys. Be back.